good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're listening from. Today, we are going to present you this webinar from Intelequia entitled Master Your Data, How Portal BI Transforms Power BI Reporting. The webinar is mostly focused on a custom solution that we built from Intelequia based on Microsoft technology. But before we approach that product in particular, we will also have some introduction on the Microsoft components that we use to build the solution to provide the functionality that we want to achieve with this solution. Just dive into the data. That's what matters, and that's what brings us here today. So first of all, let's start with the challenges, pain points. So when we work with data, what challenges do we face, or what challenges do the data analysts face when they start building a solution around data? So data analysts have to work with lots of parts of the company, lots of teams, and because we all use data at the end. So those teams, they need different data. They need to see that data or to manage that data in different ways, because different teams within the company, they need to take different conclusions out of data. Okay, so gotten to this point, we see that we need something that helps us visualize data. Okay, so yeah, Power BI, it's one of the most used tools in terms of data visualization. We've also been using Power BI for a couple of different things in the past, because it has some really nice features. But basically, yeah, Power BI lets me visualize the data, interact with that data, build my own filters, and do lots of stuff with the data that are really interesting in terms of kind of analyzing this data. The way Power BI shows the data, it's also very nice because it allows me to use tables, graphs, maps, whatever. It allows me to connect with different data sources, which is really important in a data platform, because at the end you are combining information from different sides, and that kind of combination of all that data is what makes sense. It is where you can find patterns that help you take good decisions. And at the end, so Power BI also provides another feature, another real interesting feature, which is the collaboration part, because it's a platform that is built on top of the Microsoft technology, Microsoft 365 technology, which is all about collaboration, and it allows users to share reports and to share these dashboards in a very intuitive and very, very easy way. Now it's time. Let me show you some of the things we can expect from our Power BI platform. So as you see, this is a web platform. There is this menu on the left side because I'm an admin. If I wasn't an admin, I wouldn't see this left bar. Okay, so the portal would start here with the logo of Intelequia and all these menus. You are seeing an almost uncustomized version of Portal BI, because this is a demo environment. This is a web environment, and we can customize this with everything you need to make it yours. So if you have like a branding guidelines and you need to apply specific images, colors, structures to the pages, we can do this, of course. But what you are seeing now is a demo environment, so it's kind of really too clean, and is not as heavily personalized as we could do if you need to. Okay, so you see here that we only added like a logo from Intelequia and nothing else, but we can like transform all of these to make it yours and to follow your brand guidelines and make it with the same look and feel as your company. So you can see here that I have specific reports that I can check. I also have those reports in here. For example, in some of the reports, you can see that I have the menus directly from the Power BI service, where I can like do lots of things. And maybe as a user, I shouldn't do all of this, like edit and stuff like that.